Do you have a good workers' compensation case? We're answering that right now. Hi, I'm Naomi from Gonzalez Law, empowering Californians through legal education. There are 4 considerations to know if you have a good case. The first one is, are you an employee? That means, do you have an employer-employee relationship? The second one is, do you have an injury? For California work comp, the injury must be above first aid. So for an example, if a box were to fall on your arm and you get a nice big fat bruise and you tell your supervisor and they bring you a pack of ice and you put it on your arm and by the next day you're good to go. That is an injury, but it is not an injury that would be covered under workers' compensation because that would just be first aid. Same situation, the box falls, hits you in the shoulder, and now you have a tear in your shoulder. That would be an injury that's a high enough threshold for workers' compensation. I remember when I was in college, I worked at the bookstore, and what we would do is have a joke. Anytime anybody had a paper cut, had any kind of minor injury, we would say, oh, it's workers' comp. Oh, workers' comp, workers' comp. But really, that wasn't workers' comp because those were all first aid injuries. Number 3, your injury must be at work, from work, or because of work. There has to be a causal relationship, your work with the injury. If you said yes to 1, 2, and 3, then you have a good case for workers' compensation, unless you fail number 4. Your claim must not be barred by an affirmative defense. Now, I go through in detail a list of affirmative defenses in this video right here, timestamp 2:15. If you would like to talk to us about your injury, text this consult and we'll be very happy to talk to you. Thank you. Bye. Can be empowered. Plus, I'm trying to say please and press the same time. Plus,